Hello, this is Dutchman420. Look what I got today. It is the new HLG quantum board kit. I think it's the 320. 3 quantum boards and then you assemble yourself. Took like a fucking week to come, but it's here because of the holiday. Did ship pretty fast once he got it out. Came out of Tennessee. Yeah, it's the 320. Here's the Meanwhile driver. Everything's a little smaller than I thought it would be, but let's check out the heatsink. Here's the bag of all the connectors and shit. Oh good, they sent me hangers. I wasn't sure if it came with hangers or not. And then this is the fucking gigantic heatsink. 3 feet long. My buddy was thinking about getting one of these, but I think he has like a 3x3 tent. I guess that would work. It would cover the entire top of the tent. It is 3 feet long. Here's the quantum board. Just to give you an idea and scale. It's not as big as it looked on the thing, but these motherfuckers are supposed to be top notch, man. I guess it's got 288 on each board. Look how little these fucking chips are, man. There's the 288, and then they got each chip numbered. I don't know, this fucking thing, this camera sucks, as you see. Slow but sure. One thing I did notice about this thing is it came with 0 paperwork. Nothing in here but just this stuff. Nothing saying, thank you for your purchase from Horticulture Lighting Group. Fuck you. Whatever. Here's a warranty paper. Nothing. So that's one strike. Yeah, and he didn't get any paperwork. I guess with kits you don't get any paperwork. When you buy the light that's pre-assembled, then you get like a paper or two that says like, thank you from HLG, Horticulture Lighting Group, blah, 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 blah. No big deal, no strike. Turned out to be a ball. Let's get building. Alright, I just screwed in all these screws. There's screws everywhere. That's quite time consuming, but I made sure I did it carefully. You got negative on top, then positive, then negative again. Now let's wire. Alright, now I'm hooking up the wires. Basically you hook up the fucking one side, which is, they call the output side, which is, I guess this converts this shit to DC power. So in the video he's calling it the DC side. Made sure I got the 1750A. The 1750B is non-dimmable and shit. You can't do a bunch of stuff with it. Alright, so I got the DC side hooked up. Now I gotta follow along on the video again. It's weird because he uses black wires for positive. Makes no sense to me, but I'm following along with what he says. Oh, one more thing. When you tighten these fucking screws down on these quantum boards, just use a screwdriver. Don't use a fucking drill. You know, a screw gun. And when you tighten them up, man, just get them fucking snug. Don't even fucking tighten them, man. I just got them down here against the board and then I had took like a half a turn. Not even that. You could feel it, man. You don't want to crack these boards, man. You're just holding them fucking snugly or fucking against this heat sink. And something else I noticed with this kit, they don't tell you to wipe down the heat sink with anything before you put the boards on. It's probably a good idea to make sure it's very clean. That way the contact, you don't want dust and shit in between the board and the heat sink. The heat sink's pretty nice. And I got the Meanwhile driver mounted up and the thing so far. We got that running around to that connection and that one running to this connection. Let's keep on trucking. I got it working in less than an hour. Alright, after many trials and tribulations, here it is. Fucking sick, dude. I'm blinded. red. Total camera does not do justice for this thing, man.